All right, it's a brand new week of our alternate learning schedule. So today is Monday, so we're doing addition. So I have 3 standard algorithm addition problems for you, and then I have 2 word problems today. So I'm gonna give you all 3 standard algorithm ways first. So you're gonna pause the video, solve the 3, and then restart the video so we can solve all 3 of them together. All right, here are your first 3 problems. Okay, so now that you're back with me, we're gonna go ahead and solve. So the first one, we're gonna start up at the top. We're gonna do 7 plus 7, which is 14. Carry the 1. We have 8 plus 4, which is 12, and 12 plus 1, which is 13. Carry my 1. Then I'm gonna do this 4 plus 1, which is 5, and 5 plus 9 is 14. Carry my 1. Here I'm gonna do 7 plus 1, which is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10. All right, so there is my first answer already. So if you got that one right, good job. Pat yourself on the head. 10,434. All right, the next one, same thing like before. I'm gonna start in my ones place and work my way over. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. And 10 plus 9 is 19. Carry my 1. This one I'm going to do 3 plus 3, which is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I got 7,906. All right, and then the last standard algorithm one, 7 plus 6, which is 13. Carry my 1. I'm gonna do 7 plus 1, which is 8, and 8 plus 8, which is 16. Carry my 1. Here I'm gonna do 8 plus 1, which is 9, and 9 plus 3, which is 12. Carry my 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. All right, and there you go. There's your first 3 already finished. If you got all 3 of those right, do our addition dance. Woo-hoo, yeah, all right. Okay, so here is your first word problem. It says, Cody and Serenity went scuba diving and found a treasure chest in the ocean. When they opened it up, they discovered that it was filled with 3,567 gold coins and 1,793 silver coins. How many coins does the chest contain in all? So go ahead and you're gonna write a statement, draw a tape diagram, and solve. So go ahead and pause your screen and solve. All right, so the first thing I need to do is to write my statement. So I know that my question is right here. How many coins does the chest contain in all? So that's that key word that's gonna help me out there. So how many coins does the chest contain in all? So I'm gonna restate that as my statement. So how many coins does the chest contain in all? The chest contains blank coins in all. Sounds like we're gonna be needing to find a total. All right, so now I'm gonna draw my tape diagram. So I'm gonna draw my 2 boxes for my tape diagram, like that. I'm gonna label one of them G for gold and one of them S for silver. And then at the bottom, that's my total, or in all, right? So I know how many gold coins I have, or Cody and Serenity have now because they found the treasure. The gold is 3,567 gold coins. And then there's 1,793 silver coins. So to find the total, right now I have part, so I'm trying to find the total. So part, we add. So I'm gonna add those 2 together. So I'm gonna write 3,567 plus 1,793. Like that. And I'm going to add them together. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry my 1. I'm gonna do this 6 plus 1, which is 7, and 7 plus 9, which is 16. Carry my 1. Then I have 5 plus 1, which is 6, and 6 plus 7, which is 13. Carry my 1. Then I have 3 plus 1, which is 4, and 4 plus 1, which is 5. So how many coins do they have in all? 5,360. So I'm going to write that on this line right here. The chest contains 5,360 coins in all. All right, so that is your first word problem. The second one is right here. The treasure chest also contains pearls. There are 1,356 white pearls and 562 black pearls. How many pearls are there all together? So same thing, write a statement, draw a tape diagram, and solve. So go ahead and pause and do that. All right, so my statement is where I'm gonna turn the question around. So the question says, how many pearls are there all together? So I'm gonna underline that. How many pearls are there all together? And that's what I'm gonna write as my statement. I'm gonna turn that around. So there are blank pearls all together. And that all together word should give you a hint of what we're going to do. So for the tape diagram, same thing as before. I'm going to draw my tape diagram with two parts. The first part is a W and the second part is a B. So my white pearls and the black pearls. So I have 1,356 white pearls, 562 black pearls. So I'm going to write that in my tape diagram. Sorry, my comma looks a little weird there, but that's a comma. And then I'm gonna write my total pearls, right? And that's the part we don't know, so that's what we're gonna solve for. So we have part, and just like we did before, part means we are going to add. So we're going to add them together. So I have 1,356 plus 562. Make sure you have that on your paper. All right, and 6 plus 2, we know that is 8. 5 plus 6 is 11, carry my 1. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. And then I'm gonna write my comma. So 1,918 is how many pearls they had all together. So 1,918 is going to go in my statement at the top. Man, Cody and Serenity, you guys found a lot of good stuff while you went scuba diving. All right, that's all the math for today. Make sure you're checking in for the Wonders video, the Who Was video, and I also have a bonus reading one today. All right, guys, have a good day.